Welcome to the job application tutorial for candidates on TaleGlobal. In this video, we'll show you how to search for jobs and submit your application. To begin, open your dashboard and scroll down to the recommended jobs section. Browse through the available opportunities or search for a job that matches your skills, qualifications, and experience level. Once you find a suitable job, click on it to view the complete job details. Here, you can review important information such as the job description, roles and responsibilities, company details, job location, salary package, required qualifications, and other relevant details. Take your time to review the information carefully before applying. If you feel the opportunity is a good fit for you, scroll back to the top of the page and click on Apply Now. Before proceeding, carefully read and accept the terms and conditions. You will now be redirected to the payment gateway to complete your application. The application fee is Rs 129 per job application. Enter your mobile number and choose your preferred payment method and complete the payment. Once your payment is successful, your job application will also be submitted successfully. You can then return to your dashboard and view all your submitted applications by selecting My Applications from the side panel. If you would like to apply for additional jobs, simply return to the dashboard, browse another opportunity, and repeat the same process. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the very best with your next job application.